Yes, I know, you've probably seen every single rebuilding a car in X amount of time video on YouTube. Like I always say, these types of videos are for me so I can see the progression of how far the car has come and I guess where it is now. This is like an intermediate video because there is so much content that I made on this thing that I want to do this in progressional steps. This is just like phase 1 of the car. There's definitely going to be more coming with the 05 STI, but the 17 STI with the engine swap is the main priority of the channel right now. But quick little backstory on the car. Bought the car back in December of 2020. Had 4 bent intake valves. I didn't know it at the time. I thought it was just the AC compressor clicking. Pulled the motor like 3 or 4 times, rebuilt this thing. Had no intentions of it ever getting to the extent that it did, but extremely happy with it. So without further ado, here is building the 05 STI to 450 wheel horsepower 3 times in what, 18 minutes? What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So it's an exciting day. We got the new car. We brought it to the channel. I'm super excited. I picked it up yesterday, which is why I missed the live stream. Got the car. It was an extremely stressful day all day yesterday, but it's not in the best condition. It does need a little bit of love, which we already have parts for it here. Turbo out of the car. They told me they replaced the turbo. I don't know if they actually did. It has like very minor shaft play. It's nothing too concerning. I don't want to do it anymore. I just want it to work. And it doesn't. It doesn't work. Why? I need a break. I need to stop. of emotion. It would explain why the car ran so poorly when I put the OTS tune on there. This car needs to go to a dyno, like as soon as possible.
is an 84mm turbo inlet. It's a 3.3 inch. It is the biggest stock location turbo inlet, I believe, that goes on these cars.
Today's a good day. Today is such a good day. Do you see all the boxes? Do you see all the boxes? guys want to hear the turbo? I do. We're pulling the motor back out, but this time we're pulling the heads off of the short block. A, it'll give us a lot more insight to see what's going on inside of the short block. B, the ticking in the driver's side head is a lot worse. Four bent valves. So whoever guessed bent valves, we have 4 bent intake valves. They're not like crazy bent, but 4 of these are bent. Have Manley stainless steel performance intake and exhaust valves, both standard size. And then for valve springs, they're just Brian Crower springs because we are running Brian Crower cam.
get to this first start so that way my anxiety can just go away at this point.
P0011. Okay, time to do some Googling.
Here's our new cam gear right here. As you can see down inside of that hole, there's what, 4 holes, 5 holes. One of them is a key port for the actual cam to slide into. Here's our old cam gear. Let me bring this light down here. There's our old cam gear, and there's where I tried to put the cam last time. So no wonder it was advancing timing so much. The cam gear wasn't lined up properly, so technically the car wasn't in time.
Made 450 wheel horsepower and like 390 foot-pounds of torque. Oh, and it has more in it, but we're cutting it there because we do not want to blow this motor up right now. Holy shit! Oh my! Oh yeah, I have throttle percentage up right there. Wow! Wow, that's the first time I've got 100% throttle. I forgot, man, she got the sauce. She got the beans and the potatoes in here.